She sat dash the chair. The correct answer is option B, on. Explanation: on indicates placement upon a surface such as sitting on a chair. Rice sells dash 10 rupees a kilo. The correct answer is option D, for. Explanation: for indicates the price or cost at which rice is sold. He looks dash my business. The correct answer is option C, after. Explanation: after implies managing or taking care of something. She sat dash me. The correct answer is option D, beside. Explanation: beside refers to a position next to someone or something. He stood dash front of the door. The correct answer is option D, in. Explanation: in denotes a position directly in front of an object, such as standing in front of a door. The boat floated dash the stream. The correct answer is option B, down. Explanation: down describes movement along a downward path, like floating down a stream. She ran dash the room. The correct answer is option B, into. Explanation: into shows movement from the outside to the inside, such as entering a room. There is none dash the room. The correct answer is option A, in. Explanation: in specifies location within an enclosed space, like being inside a room. He is ruined dash life. The correct answer is option D, for. Explanation: for signifies a lasting effect or condition throughout one's life. She was lame dash in fancy. The correct answer is option A, from. Explanation: from indicates the origin or starting point, such as being lame since infancy. They came dash bus. The correct answer is option B, by. Explanation: by describes the mode of transportation, such as traveling by bus. He fell dead dash my eyes. The correct answer is option D, before. Explanation: before refers to an event happening in the presence of someone, such as falling dead before someone's eyes. They consulted me dash the matter. The correct answer is option A, about. Explanation: about specifies the subject or topic of a discussion or consultation. Have patience dash me. The correct answer is option D, with. Explanation: with implies patience or endurance in relation to a person. He will do it dash pleasure. The correct answer is option A, with. Explanation: with expresses doing something in a particular way or mood, such as with pleasure. The baby cried dash its mother. The correct answer is option A, for. Explanation: for indicates the reason or cause, such as crying for its mother. He struck her dash a stick. The correct answer is option B, with. Explanation: with denotes the instrument used, like hitting someone with a stick. Wait dash an hour. The correct answer is option A, for. Explanation: for refers to waiting for a specific duration of time, such as for an hour. He has been doing it dash 1990. The correct answer is option C, since. Explanation: since indicates the starting point of an action or state, counting from 1990. Come here dash 4 o'clock. The correct answer is option C, by. Explanation: by indicates the latest time by which you should arrive. I will go dash a week. The correct answer is option A, in. Explanation: in refers to an event happening within a period, such as in a week. The moon will not rise dash midnight. The correct answer is option C, before. Explanation: before refers to a time earlier than a specified moment, such as before midnight. He will come dash a few days. The correct answer is option D, in. Explanation: in indicates something occurring within a few days. She died dash a few days. The correct answer is option C, within. Explanation: within refers to an event happening inside a specific time frame, like dying within a few days. They came dash noon. The correct answer is option A, at. Explanation: at denotes a specific moment in time, like arriving at noon. Wait here dash I come. The correct answer is option D, until. Explanation: until refers to a continuing of to a specific point, such as waiting until someone arrives. The dog ran dash me. The correct answer is option B, towards. Explanation. Towards indicates the direction the dog is moving, approaching the speaker. I met her, dash a smile. The correct answer is option D, with. Explanation. With, to show that the smile was a part of the greeting or interaction when meeting her. He went dash Delhi. The correct answer is option C, to. Explanation. To indicates the direction of his movement. She complained dash me. The correct answer is option C, about. Explanation. About is used to indicate the subject of the complaint.